I bet you've never had a chocolate chip cookie this good. Crispy on the outside, chewy and gooey on the inside. So easy to make. Start with a cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2/3 of a cup of brown butter, and make sure you scoop in all the brown bits. They have all the flavor. A tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix the ingredients until just combined. After mixing, add in 2 eggs. Make sure your eggs are room temperature. After the eggs goes a 1/4 teaspoon of espresso powder. It's optional, but it brings out the chocolate flavor. A teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix everything together for about a minute or 2. Add a cup and 3/4 of flour, 1 cup at a time. You want your dough to be like a Play-Doh consistency, not too soft and not too crumbly. I like folding in my flour with a spatula to prevent overmixing. Finally, for the best part, you add in your chocolate chips of choice. These are the ones I use. You're going to want to put 1.5 cups to 2 cups of chocolate chips. Again, I'm mixing by hand because I don't want to overmix it, and then you're ready to bake. For this recipe, it doesn't make a big difference between refrigerating and not refrigerating them, and that's one thing I love about it. So once you're done mixing, you take an ice cream scoop, and it can be any size. The bigger the scoop, the bigger the cookie. The less cookies you have, the smaller the scoop, the smaller the cookie, the more cookies you have. Place them on a baking sheet and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You're going to keep them in for 11 to 12 minutes. Once they come out the oven, shape them with a cup and you're ready to enjoy. Don't forget to follow for more recipes.